Content verification is an integrated solution which enables consumers in item counting or originality attestation of their high-value shipment without opening it for detection of concealed loss and thus ensuring secure transit operations in logistics supply chain. It generates legally admissible evidences in case any intrusion is caused by act of insiders. Unlike hard token, soft token, RFID tags, passwords, biometrics, smart card, it remains non-replicable even by a solution provider, and credentials cannot be leaked by insiders under connivance and threat.
This interesting technology named Smart DNA, which is the next generation labeling technology. So the same label can be leveraged for tamper evidence, for content count inside and sealed box, anti-counterfeit applications seamlessly. And also in some industries, same Smart DNA label can also be leveraged as the remote monitoring of the integrity of the assets. Composition wise, the end-to-end solution based on the Smart DNA is the material science plus embedded computing and plus cloud application for the live alert and the remote notifications.
The technology is applicable in different environments such as general logistics, operations for high-value items to detect concealed loss, specialized logistics, currency printing press, owning their logistics operations, and monitoring concealed loss or verification of tampering of the items.
The core differentiator of this labeling technology is that this is insider threat protected. Whatever you see today, barcode, RFID, holograms, or bubble tag or nano fingerprint, this kind of technologies are, at the end of the day, they are not insider threat protected. A specification can be leaked by the insiders and the technologies can be easily replicated. While in the case of a Smart DNA, even manufacturer cannot replicate the technology.
The content verification technology has been awarded by the FICCI DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Program.